In this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN Fantasy players not showing. So if you're facing this error, what you'll have to do is, first of all, press and hold on to this Fantasy app icon, then click on App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will find Clear Data and Clear Cache. Make sure to click on Clear Cache. After that, open up your control center. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection, or you could try switching your network connection between mobile data and Wi-Fi. After that, what you can do is go to App Store. Here, check if there is any update available by searching for ESPN Fantasy Sports. If there is, then simply update your app. And even after that, if it's still not working, then simply open up your Fantasy app. From here, click on this setting gear in the top right corner. Scroll till the end. Here you will find a logout button. Simply click on it. After that, log back into your account. And even after that, if it's still not working, then simply press and hold on to this Fantasy app icon. Click on uninstall, then confirm it. After that, press and hold on to your power button. Simply restart your phone from here. After that, go to Play Store or App Store. Search for ESPN Fantasy Sports, and from here download the app and then log in and try using it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.